G'day everyone, Tim from High Pressure Cleaning Gold Coast, sharing with you this week what we're doing. We're on a 4-day clean. This is a new client, a school. We're over the border in New South Wales. We're doing all the flat work here for them. So a combination of obviously organics there, chocolate milk, all the lovely things that get spilt around schools, and just your general grind that we're cutting through. So yeah, we'll be on site. We're running 4 pressure washers on this job. We've got 3 softwash machines, help apply a little bit of treatment to the flat work that's required. But yeah, have a look at the before and afters. If you've got any questions, give us a call.
Thank you.